হ্যালো গাইজ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। আপনারা দেখছেন স্যাম ইনফো 24 এবং যথারীতি আপনাদের সাথে অ্যাজ এ হোস্ট আমি স্যাম আছি। তো আজকে এই নতুন একটা ভিডিও নিয়ে হাজির হয়েছি, যেটা ভিডিওটি হচ্ছে ইন্স্যুরেন্স ফর ইয়ারবাউন্ড রেন্টেল, ওয়ান কাইন্ড অফ বিজনেস, যেটার নিয়ে আজকে আলোচনা করব। আর আলোচনা করার আগে বলে দিই, এটা হচ্ছে আমি যে ভিডিওটি মেক করছি, এই ওয়েবসাইটটি হচ্ছে জিন্স্যুরেন্সের ওয়েবসাইট। ইজ দ্য ওয়ান অফ দ্য বেস্ট ইন্স্যুরেন্স কোম্পানি ইন কানাডা। সো বেসিক্যালি যারা কানাডাতে আছেন তাদের জন্য হয়তোবা এই জিনিসটাতে খুব হেল্পফুল আসবে। তো গাইস, আর চলুন শুরু করা যাক। তো ভিডিও শুরু করার আগে থেকে অসংখ্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ যারা এর আগে আমার ভিডিওটি দেখেছেন। আর যারা নতুন আমার ভিডিওটি দেখছেন তারা অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন, পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করে দেবেন। তো চলুন শুরু করা যাক আজকের ভিডিওতে। তো আজকের ভিডিওর টপিক হচ্ছে ইন্স্যুরেন্স ফর এয়ারবার্ন অ্যান্ড চেইন। So, what does your if you occasionally rent your home or condo to guests through Airbnb, VRBO, HomeAway, or other home sharing service, you need a customized rental insurance policy to protect yourself and your property against unforeseen events and third-party liability. What does Arnav insurance cover? A comprehensive insurance policy is Urban's rental properties through insurance, topically injury, commercial general liability, CGL insurance, also known as a slip uh, and fall insurance. CGL protects against claim alleging third-party property damage or bodily injury if, for instance, a customer visits the premises and slips, falls, and injury in injured, CGL may provide financial coverage for third-party medical expenses and your legal fees if you are named in a lawsuit. Commercial property insurance protects against physical loss, damages, rental income. This type of coverage provides you with protection if you lose rental income due to the damage to your property because on a fire, flood, or other insurance peers. Cyber liability insurance continues. Actually, airbound rental insurance for airbound rentals. What protection does Airbnb provide? What protections Airbnb provide? Host protection insurance. Airbnb hosts receive two types of coverage from Airbnb. Airbnb host protection insurance may cover your legal responsibility for bodily injury or guest or others and damages to property belonging to your guest. It provides liability covers for a hostess legal responsibility for third-party bodily injuries. It may also cover your legal responsibility for damage to common areas such as building, lobbies, and neighboring properties caused by one of your guests. It does not cover. It does not. So, host protection insurance of host protection injury may cover your legal responsibility for bodily injury to guests or others and damages to property belonging your guests. It provides liability covers for a host, legal responsibility for third-party bodily injuries. It may also cover your legal responsibility for damages to common areas such as building, lobbies, and neighboring properties caused by one of your guests. It does not cover injury or damages resulting from an international act by one of your guests, loss of income, or damage to your dwelling or buildings. Host guarantee protections. One of host guarantee protection is property damage coverage to provide coverage for damages caused to your dwelling and belongings if they are damages by the guest or others they invite to visit your home. Airbnb's host guarantee program is not an insurance policy. and all not all property damage caused by guests may be covered. It also does not provide protection for third party bodily injury to your guest. Airborne's advice is host, not purchaser. Why not Airbnb host additional insurance? If you are offering short-term rental for your entire home, party of your home, a condo, or seasonal property through Airbnb or other home sharing service, you need to protect yourself from any risks risks that could cost you thousands of dollars if something goes wrong. After all, your most significant investment in your home. Listing your property and on Airbnb turns your private residence into a business property. Your personal house home insurance policy may not cover for the third party bodily injury or property damage. If you file a claim plus home your insurance provides could decide to void your policy, leaving you without any protection at all. Make sure you inform your current home insurance providers of your home sharing plans to avoid that responsibility. Although Airbnb provides some level of coverage, there are limits of their coverage. That's why you need to ensure you're fully protected by editing business insurance policy designed to protect short-term home sharing properties. What risks do Airbnb host faces? Airbnb's coverage limited might sound a lot, but when you consider the cost of legal fees, settlements, home repairs, and property replacement in the event of damages or a lawsuit, those costs can easily extend by one Airbnb's coverage limited. If it does, you are responsible to pay additional costs and may need to be deep into your savings. That possesses or terminals risks to your financial health. You can help mitigate the risks you face as a Airbnb host, ensuring you are operating within all federal, provincial, and municipal regulations. If your short-term rental property is a condo, ensure you comply with the condo buildings policy on renting out your unit. Purchase short-term rental insurance to augment the coverage Airbnb provides. Charge your guests a security deposit to pay for any minor damages they create. Furnish your dwelling with durable, easy to clean furnish. Don't leave expense to the trusted item in out. Pro- Protectively performs any maintenance and repairs in or on your property. An insurance policy is not a maintenance contract. Install home monitoring security system and consider install smart look and a noise monitoring advise your guests in your earbud listening their existence. Insurance confidence consideration and independent contractors. Working as an independent contractor has many benefits. You define your schedule and contribute your experience and various projects. However, operating independently has unique risks from an insurance representative. Unless you are working full-time with one company, you are unlikely to be covered by one employer, meaning you need comprehensive insurance that travels to job sites with you. General liability insurance for independent contractors could cover any third-party injuries during a project or property damage resulting from your actions, even if you work at multiple sites. Equipment and tools insurance will provide coverage should they be lost, damaged, or salted. and you should always confirm builder's risk coverage. তো দ্যাট ইজ দ্য থিং। আই থিঙ্ক আপনাদের ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগেছে। যাদের ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগবে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার করবেন। আর পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন। আজকের মতো এই পর্যন্তই। থ্যাংক